Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the chapter De Moivre's theorem. Let us see question. Show that one value of 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus iota cos pi by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus iota cos pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3 equals to minus 1. So by simplifying LHS we can prove RHS. But before I go to the simplification of LHS, let me simplify only bracket expression, okay, for the sake of easy understanding. So to avoid the confusion in simplification part, better to simplify only bracket expression first. So if I took bracket expression 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus iota cos pi by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus iota cos pi by 8 equals to, now 1 plus sin A form. If I remind trigonometry formulas, we have formula for 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Formula 2 cos square A by 2. So to make use of this formula, I need here cos A form. So we can convert sin to cos, cos to sin easily. So let's go for those conversions. Sin A. If you have sin A, if you want to replace sin with cos, sin A can also be written as cos of 90 minus A, 90 degrees minus A. Cos of 90 degrees in radians pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 minus A. Similarly, cos A can be replaced with sin of pi by 2 minus A. So let me use these conversions here. 1 plus sin A. Sin A must be replaced with cos of pi by 2 minus A. A is pi by 8 here. Plus iota into cos A. Cos A we should replace with sin of pi by 2 minus A, means pi by 8. Whole divided by, the same way denominator 1 plus sin A. Sin A should be replaced with cos of pi by 2 minus A minus iota into cos A. Cos A should be replaced with the sin of pi by 2 minus A. Now replacement concept completed. Now simplification part. Here simplification is possible, na? So let me write 1 plus cos of, so simplify bracket expression. How can I simplify easily? By having equal denominators we can add or subtract directly, na? So how can I get here equal denominators? When I saw here 8, I wanted to create here also 8. If 2 is multiplied by 4, so not only multiplying here, also here. So multiplying and dividing by 4 is required here. 4 pi by 4 to the 8 minus pi by 8 plus iota same, sin of same thing. Everywhere we have same angle, 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8 whole divided by 1 plus cos of 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8 minus iota into sin of 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8. Now 1 plus cos, I told you, na, if you have equal denominators, numerators can be subtracted directly. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi. So cos 3 pi by 8, cos of 3 pi by 8 plus iota into sin of 3 pi by 8 whole divided by 1 plus cos of 3 pi by 8 minus iota into sin of 3 pi by 8. Now I got the required form 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A, formula 2 cos square A by 2. 2 cos square, what is A here? 3 pi by 8. A by 2 become 3 pi by 8 by 2. 3 pi by 16 plus iota into, use here sin A formula. Sin A formula, if I remind sin A formula, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 formula. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So 2 sine a by 2, 3 pi by 8 by 2, 3 pi by 16, cos a by 2, 3 pi by 16. So in the same way, denominator 1 plus cos a, 2 cos square a by 2, 3 pi by 16 minus iota into sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Now we can get 2 cos 3 pi by 16 common from numerator. In both the terms we are able to see 2 cos 3 pi by 16. Take it common, write it outside of the bracket, open the bracket and write the remaining expression. After taking 2 cos 3 pi by 16 common, we left with 1 more cos 3 pi by 16. Cos 3 pi by 16 plus, after taking 2 cos 3 pi by 16 common, we left with iota sin 3 pi by 16 whole divided by, here also same thing, 2 cos 3 pi by 16 common. Next cos 3 pi by 16 we left with minus iota sin 3 pi by 16. Now same terms can be cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Cos 3 pi by 16, cos 3 pi by 16 gets cancelled. Whenever you have complex numbers in the form of either product or division, so better to use the simple form. Simple form in the sense, instead of cos theta plus iota sin theta, use cis theta form. Okay, so better to write here. You see one complex number divided by another complex number, no? So use cis theta. Cis form, if you use cos 3 pi by 16 plus iota sin 3 pi by 16, can be written as cis 3 pi by 16. Cis 3 pi by 16 divided by denominator. Just we have sign difference, na? In place of plus we have minus, so it becomes cis of minus 3 pi by 16, because cos theta minus iota sin theta, simple form is cis of minus theta, you know. So cos theta minus iota sin theta, cis of minus theta. Now we got a formula, cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. So reminder, cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 formula, cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. So if you use that formula, so LHS, here I can write, na? Cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. Here theta 1 is 3 pi by 16. Theta 1 is 3 pi by 16 minus theta 2 is minus 3 pi by 16. Minus into minus become plus 3 pi by 16. So now on simplification, cis of, here equal denominators, na? Numerators can be added directly. 3 pi plus 3 pi, 6 pi by 16. 2 times 2 3s are 2 8s are. So I got bracket expression value cis 3 pi by 8. Okay, now I can go for LHS. Now I can write LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equals to 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus iota into cos pi by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus iota into cos pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. Now simplified form of this bracket expression, just now we got cis 3 pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. Now we can apply De Moivre's theorem here. So because it's in the form of cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n form. So if you understand the logic of De Moivre's theorem, just power multiplied to the angle part. So I can write cis 3 pi by 8 into 8 by 3. If I apply the logic, angle multiplied by power, 3 pi by 8 into 8 by 3. 8 gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. 6 pi. So write its original form. So in order to simplify further, write its original form. 6 pi original form cos pi plus iota sin pi. As you know, the value of cos pi minus 1 plus iota into value of sin pi 0. Minus 1 plus iota into 0, 0, need not to write. We got minus 1, which is nothing but your required answer. Right hand side, LHS equals to RHS. Just if you are thorough with these formulas, you can understand this problem easily. Okay, thank you.